12 into 3 inverse x equal to 4 by 3. X equal to what? 12 into 3 inverse x equal to 4 by 3 বা 3 inverse x সমান 4 by 3 into 1 by 12. 3 inverse x equal to 4 by 36. 3 inverse x equal to 1 by 9. 3 inverse x equal to 1 by 3 square. 3 inverse x equal to 3 inverse 2. 3 vanish. Minus x equals to minus 2. Minus x equal to 2.